Best Character AI alternative. So if you want a Character AI alternative, or if you're tired of Character AI filters ruining your chat, so here's the best alternative that you can switch in 2 seconds. If you want more freedom, better responses, and smarter AI, you need to try Janitor AI. So why is it better? Go with the official website. Now, first, it has fewer restrictions. Your conversations feel more natural. Second, it has better memory. The AI actually remembers what you say. And third, you'll have the customization option. You can even connect your own AI models. Basically, it feels like Character AI, but unlocked. You'll also have more alternatives like Novel AI, which is perfect for storytelling. And then next we have Replica, which is great for emotional chat. So, yeah, if Character AI feels limited, Janitor AI is your fastest upgrade. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.